Today, I'm in San Francisco to catch a glimpse of this year's US event and get a flavour for what we might see when RSA Conference Europe comes to London this October. I'm with Ed Adams, CEO of Security Innovation. Ed, what makes RSA Conference special?
Well, RSA Conference is special because it's the place to be. If you want to do networking, you want to talk to decision makers, you want to learn something like this interactive testing challenge behind us. Whether it's education, networking, or you're looking to make a purchase decision, it's the place to be.
I think RSA is the premier security conference. It's hard as a vendor not to be here. The speakers are world-class, and it's really a place where you can go to get information and also make contact with vendors, understand what their products are, and get a sense for really what's happening in the industry.
I've been at a few sessions. Certainly the keynote presentations yesterday were great.
Roughly 1 in 3.
I learn a lot from people who are dealing with the newest technology, and that's really important for my job.
If you're in network security or any kind of security, you have to be at RSA.
Every year, RSA Conference helps shape the future of information security. Events in the USA, Europe and Japan bring together the industry's most innovative thinkers and respected practitioners. Over an intensive 3-day period, attendees can learn about the latest trends, gain fresh insights from high-caliber speakers and presenters, network with peers and take away the knowledge they need to meet the challenges they face every day. And of course, the RSA Conference exhibition showcases world-class technology and service vendors.
This really is the show to be at. If you want to talk about security, really any place in the world, you really got to come to RSA. It's really the opportunity to find out everything there is to know about security in today's technology.
Very good. I mean, you get a lot of high-quality industry executives, and that generates a lot of high-quality businesses.
And what's special about RSA Conference?
It's the biggest one out there, so you get people from all the different industries and security vendors as well, so it's a good place to meet all the different players in the industry.
And you've attended a few of the seminars today already?
I have had a chance to attend 2 of them so far, so both have been very good.
Yeah? And any particular other highlights that you're looking forward to seeing while you're here?
Just some of the keynote speakers that are on the agenda so far, and looking forward to those.
First, it's a good networking place. Because we have all our partners here, we can easily have good talks, and there's a lot of analyst talks here, press talks, so that's a good reason to come. RSA is the only show where you can find all security topics covered.
When I first came to the conference, it was up on the hill up there, and it was probably a few hundred people, and now it's, I heard 15,000, so it's just amazing how much it's grown.
This is our one show per year where we gain dramatic amounts of demand creation as well as learning about the technology and what people are looking for us to develop next year.
When you've got this many people sort of all unifying around a single topic and it's the premier event, then definitely everybody wants to be there. So it's the best networking opportunities, it's the best cutting edge research and what's going on with the hacker techniques, what's going on in cryptography, what's going on with the vendor community and the new advances in protection. It's just really where it's at.
And as we sign off from San Francisco, we can start looking forward to this October's RSA Conference Europe 2007, which this year will be at the Excel Centre in London. And from San Francisco, welcome to London, the largest financial centre in Europe, and home of the European headquarters of 33% of the Fortune Global 500. 25% of Europe's security software companies are all based in the UK's capital. This is one of the world's greatest, most exciting cities, all on the doorstep of RSA Conference Europe 2007.
As a business opportunity, it's spectacular. Everyone sees London as the center of financial transactions, and that's our business. So I'm very excited that it's going to be in London. I was at the one in Paris a few years ago, and it was a fabulous event. So I'm hoping that the one in London will be just as well.
There's so many great things about London. You team up with RSA, you got a world-class event, and I think it'll be dynamite.
RSA Conference Europe 2007 is where you'll find the industry's great minds and great business opportunities. With information security high on the agenda, we'll see an unprecedented demand for innovation and fresh thinking. From its new base in London, RSA Conference Europe may be smaller than its US counterpart, but is set to grow and meet the needs of IS professionals, whether they are delegates, exhibitors or attendees. So book your place alongside the greatest information security minds by visiting www.rsaconference.com/2007/Europe.